So this is a gas stove. The preheat is going to be exactly the same as the preheat on the electric. So again, just a quick review, I'm gonna press bake. If I need it at 375, I can push start and it's going to preheat. When it's all done, I'm going to turn it off on the off and cancel. All right, so let's talk about the burners. So the burners are way different in that you're going to have a live flame. So for me, if I'm going to make anything, let's say I'm gonna make some pasta and I need to heat up water to boiling, I'm gonna put my pan with my water in it right on top. And then I'm going to, I'm going to turn my stove on, or my stovetop on, but my dials are down in front. You have to be super careful not to bump these because you can accidentally bump and turn them on. Again, I have to pick which burner I'm using. So this one, I'm gonna turn on the front left, so that's why this one is on the bottom, it's dark. So I'm gonna push in my knob and then I turn it to ignite. And you're going to hear it clicking, and you can see it. As soon as it does that, then you're going to turn it off of that lighting, because what it's doing is striking a match inside there is more or less what it's doing. And then I can bring my heat down. It's kind of difficult probably to see in the video, but it just depends. I will always have a pan on top of this, if at all possible, so that I don't have my hand there. That's instant heat. That's just like a Bunsen burner in science class. You're going to burn yourself if you're not careful. When you're done, turn it off. One thing, I don't care for knobs on the front. Mine has it, and our dog has turned our gas on, so we have to be super careful not to have that happen. One last thing I'm going to show you is how to set the timer. So if my cookies tell me, or whatever it is I'm baking, tell me that I need to start a timer, I'm going to set the timer set, and then I'm going to put in how long. So I can go here like 3, maybe 10 minutes, let's say. And then I'm going to push start. It's asking me again, start. And then over here, it's like a little hourglass that it shows. So that has to do with time. So I'm going to push time or start, and the time starts clicking down instantly. So now we're at 9 minutes and maybe 50 seconds, or however many it might be. And then when it's done, it will go off, and then I just push timer set off, not this off, because if I push this one, it turns my oven off. And if I need to bake it for maybe a little bit longer, I'll have turned on my heat off and it won't be effective.